we take some square papers for making the rabbit. First we are taking the pink paper for making the rabbit pink color. We'll fold the paper like this first, triangle shape. See the paper folded like this, and we'll fold the paper like this, triangle shape. Triangle shape paper we will fold, and we will fold the paper this one on the end side, and here we will make the tail of the rabbit. We will turn the page on the flat sides, and we will take this end to this end, up to this end. See here carefully, this end. Fold the paper and turn the page like this. Turn the page inside. See the paper? We have folded back side and turn the page up to this one end, and we fold the paper inside like this, and here we will fold the paper some slant like this to take this part on the upper side to make the head and the ears of the rabbit. See like this. See the ear. This is the ear of the rabbit. This is the head, and this is the body. And we will take the scissor and we will cut this line. Now see, 2 ears are cut it like this. 2 ears, and we will use some googly eyes here. Googly eyes. So we will stick it here. And we'll take the marker here and make the smiley. Now see, our rabbit is ready now. 2 ears are here, body, eyes, and the smiley face. Keep aside. And now we'll take the yellow page. Yellow page for make the mark here. Take the pencil and we'll make the like this and cut it like this, and we will stick in the center here. And we will take the white paper for make the clouds. We will make the clouds like this, and we will cut it. We will stick the clouds here. And we'll take the rabbit, put some gum, and we'll stick it here. Like this. We'll stick the rabbit, and rabbits like to eat carrot here. We will draw the carrot here. Cut the rabbit like now some carrot have leaves, we'll cut this line. So you can stick the lines here. Carrot has leaves. Like this you can complete the drawing and cut the extra part. So you can complete the rabbit like this. So thanks for watching. Do like, share, comment, subscribe.